Hello guys, very welcome back. In this video we'll discuss after all what is volcano, right? So do you think the volcano is the moving lava which flows in the city as we see in the movies? Hollywood movies? Or the red lava in the oceans? No. That is not volcano. So volcano is a landform created by volcanism. Okay? It's a landform, not the lava is volcano. It's a conical or the dome-shaped mountain formed by the extrusion of lava and the pyroclastic material from a vent. Okay, so let's summarize. It's a conical or dome-shaped landform formed by the extrusion of lava and pyroclastic material from a vent. That's all. Thank you.